as a voice reason to many other celebrities. He also has an autobiography called My Life is Your Conscience. Please welcome Mr. Jiminy Cricket! Hi, nice to be here, Jiminy Cricket. The name, great to see you again. Hi there. Welcome, Jiminy. Thank you. So, how's been out here these days? Once he became a real boy, his nose was growing more when he lied. So it's kind of hard to read him, but he's doing okay. He actually made best friends with Peter Pan. They just won't grow up.